Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I will going to continue the part 2 video of building your first Python projects. In the last time we left off in collecting the data for the project, specifically the questions that we need for the project, and I will continue from that part, and let's get started. Alright guys, I'm back with the project that we left off in the past part, and we finished up collecting the data from the ChatGPT, and we store it in the question variable that called, and we will access it when we need it. And now after we collect the data, we can ask the person to the questions. We everything that here are list. For example, this is index 0, list 1, and like so far, like others values also the same. This will be the 9 index for this list. I hope that makes sense. And then what we are going to do now is we will ask the person for this index times times. So let's do that now. To do that, I show you how the for loop is work. If you say for in, and then the question, maybe I'm wrong, I don't know, and then oh my bad, and if you print, okay, I forget something, for something, for example, we can say whatever value we want to have the for loop to have. And for this types of question, we can just say questions, and we can change this one to questions, and this will be the only one question. And then if we print it out, and we can see those questions. I think I spelled it wrong, I think so. Yes, like this one. I think if you are seeing me, you can correct me. Okay, if I run this one, it will going to print it out every single list from value called function questions, because we specified here. Okay, get here, because you see, that's because I get the error. I did not call the function completely. I miss the s from that function. And let's clear this terminal for last time, and then if I run again, as you can see, it printed out every questions here. And we can also ask the person every single question like this. For example, we can just say, after we printed out the question, let me go back. After we collected the questions, we can also take the answer. I did not specify that function, but what we are going to do now is, as you can see here, we're going to print it out like this for these types of equation. But if you change this, for let's say if you change this one to input, just show you what's going to do if we say input and the equations. Let me show you what's going to happen. You see here, it's not going to print out everything anymore, because it will going to print it out every single anything after we input something here. Let's say df, let's just say enter. You can just say tap enter, and I hope that makes sense. We can, if you say input, it will wait until we give some value, or we can just say enter without giving any input, and it will and it will wait us to print out the other index. I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, I suggest you to code in your terminal, in your code. And also, if it does not make sense, I suggest you to watch other tutorial videos other than me, and I hope you will going to have a good understanding, and that's why it will wait until for the other index to print. Also, we can just also store this value in some variable. Let's say let's store it in x, and then also after we do that, we can play with the x. We can just create if statement, or we can do some other codes if we specify it, because every single input we put here we're going to store in x variable. I hope that makes sense. If doesn't, you can also comment your question in comment down below, and I will answer your question, or I will give you some way to answer your question, maybe some video I will suggest you to watch. I'm sorry, I was distracted, but now we have to collect our answers too. So let's say answer. I hope I spelled it correctly, and we can put it in list way, and I will come back after. If you see my last video, you saw this video, I mean this research that I did to get a questions from ChatGPT, and also we can ask the ChatGPT to only give us the question, the answers, the multiple choices. So let's ask give me the choice, not like I hope you will understand ChatGPT what I'm doing. it will make very life easier if I do that. Okay, what? All right, it automatically does those answers for me. Okay, now I will copy this list and then I will paste them in our list here, and then you see this is our questions, and then we can access it by indexing list indexing let's list this. I will explain why. Okay, you see ChatGPT is doing a good job in here. It creates two lists for us, list in list, another list, and also we can access those lists in the list. I mean, this list is this is one list under this all list. Does that make sense? Let me show you. If you say y equal to, okay, let's print it out. This only printed out. And then if I run it on here, let's print this out. Typo. Oh my god, birthday. Okay, if you say input, and then we can access from this answer list by doing this. This is gets very complex. I promise I will explain in the next video because we run out of in the time, but I'm only doing now I'm only going to code the I only program it, and I will explain it maybe now or in the next video. Okay, messed up, but you see, as you can see here, it will ask the question, and after that it will print out the multiple choice, and then it will ask the question again. But I will fix it in the next video, and then I will see you guys in the next video, in the part 2 video. Maybe this video is not interesting. I do my best to do that, and I see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.